culture. Hello, good morning, guys. I'm Miriam. This year, I'm speaking about the culture of Dominican Republic. In the Dominican Republic, there are many plants, flowers, and trees. There are lots of rainforests with clear water. Visit the Dominican Republic. I'm passing the tour to Isabella.
Hello, I am speaking about culture of Brazil. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia, and Brazil is located in South America. And there are many plants in the Amazonas. The famous food is a cheese bread. It's a delicious. I am passing tour to Ibai and Unai. There are spring and the sport.
Sports. Hello, I am Ibai. In the Baskonia and Madrid match, Baskonia was the winner. We are very happy.
Hello, I am Unai. In the race sport, football is successful. It is very cool, and Real Sociedad and Alaves are very good teams. Let's support great sport. I'm passing to Isaro and Alain. They are speaking with the news.
I am speak with Trump USA. Donald Trump is not the president. Joe Biden is the winner. I am very happy.
Hello, I am Sarah. Now that's my turn. In Tegasteiz City, the snow is disappearing and the people are very happy. But the ice is very big and the people fight down with the ice. But also plays with it. That's all for today.
Francophone games over 4-1.
Good morning. This is 10 o'clock and 9 o'clock in Canarias. They will have got Busantes, our football player and the squad managers.
Hello, I am Ibai Larrañaga, the new Liverpool player.
Hello, I'm Sofia and I'm the Liverpool manager and I am training Ibai to score more goals.
Hey Ibai, what's his favorite goal in July?
And you, Sofia, do you see another type of sport?
Yes, I see basketball because I like Michael Jordan.
My favorite goal in my life is the goal of Chilena versus Chelsea in Premier League.
We do more questions in the next program. Bye bye. See you next program tomorrow.
Games over 4-1. Road, traffic stop.
What you want, honey, you got it. And what you need, baby, you got it. All I'm asking for a little check when I come home. Hey, now, hey, hey, hey. Yeah, now, do me.
Good morning, welcome to the Capitana Radio.
Today we are with Anuel, then we will be with Rakba Twins. Hello Anuel, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Today we ask you because there are a lot of rumors of your withdrawing from music. Is that true?
Yes, I'm withdrawing because I'm always out of the house and I can't be with my son and my wife. So I'm withdrawing and I need to see how my son grows. He's the best thing I've got in my life.
Okay, thank you. What's a pity, but it is your decision. I'm fine. In 5 minutes, we'll be with the Rakba Twins.
Hi, Vegan and Cabrera. Everyone is wondering how they have so much time to compete in gymnastics championships, be actress, and do dances on TikTok.
At that time, we will not achieve it, but we will win it for all the effort we have made together.
We are always together and we have great time sometimes with our fans.
Bye bye. Tomorrow we'll be in the radio.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I hope you are fine today. We are with our beloved presenter, Keita David. Where are you from?
I am from Cuba.
What is the most popular song?
Is a señorita.
What is your first song?
Miss Moving On.
What was the name of your group?
It was Five Harmony.
What is your favorite from?
Is Mexico.
When did you come out what you were not work for this?
To the 25 years.
There's just some things that never change. You say we're just friends, but friends don't know the way you taste. La la la. 'Cause you know it's been a long time coming, don't you let me fall.
Enrico Olivera. Where are you from?
Is a Mexico.
What is your best recipe?
Spaghetti bolognese.
What is your most recipe?
Rice and Cuban.
What is your favorite food?
Grilled squid.
What is your favorite chef?
Cake and a bit.
Bye bye.